Oh, we're crashing. Oh, we are crashing. We are going down, and it is not going to be pleasant. Oh, click. Oh no, my bird friend. Bird friend. Bird friend. Oh, I still got my early insulator, so that's good. It's that sandstorm. There's a tree. Let's follow this edge of the map. I can barely see anything. Oh, what are you? Whoa. Oh my god. That hurt. Whoa. Oh my god. My guts. Oh, I think we're in a never ending liquid. Nah. Oh, oh. I got to leave some area. I got to leave that area. Let's hope I can see. Oh, I can see. Oh, it's beautiful. What are these? I don't know. Let's not touch them yet. It's another bunny! Kill the bunny. Kill the bunny. Oh, it's an owl. An owl one. Oh, oh, it's a big dragon face. Oh, hello. Are you still alive? Oh, you're blinking. Okay, so that's good. There, that's nice. Um, I think I'm to go around the desert and flip 3 switches. Oh, 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 owl. Oh, oh, I'm scared. Is there anywhere else I can put the owl? I'll put it on him. Oh, it's a boar. Oh, that's pretty cool. Owl. Oh, what's this? Oh, stop. Oh, stop it, you. So, no. Oh, so, oh my. So, you managed to emancipate yourself from that hungry oak. I probably would have warned you about him, but I was distracted by all my waffling. I might have underestimated you. I've not seen many escape his pot. Were you going into that cave? It's very dark, you know. Land, water, and air. The wolf will glow when brought together. Land, water, and air. Okay, sweet. Okay, we've got air. Uh, um, uh, oh, that's definitely air. Oh, What are you playing at, you fool? Land, air, land, air. This must be water, but how do I get the water? Oh, it's a fish. I'm going to presume it's the salmon of knowledge. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, is that right? Should be right. Have I put them in the right places? Oh, okay. There's little things on them. That does look... I'm gonna take you off, put you there, and you there. Oh. So that looks like water. Maybe. See, those could be under the... This could be mountains or sea. Well, obviously, it did nothing, so... There we go. So that's sea, that's wind. And the big wolf opens his head. Or the big boar, or whatever he is. Ah. Hello. My tongue is very long. And my eyes are green. Do. Let's have a chat. Oh, it's the same thing. It's a wolf. Yeah. Yeah, fuck off. What the... Duh. And we're going into a giant wolf. A villain. Ooh. Ooh. That's so cool. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Oh. Oh. Fuckers. How did they get me? Oh, I need a health hole. Oh, I missed it. Should we go back and look for the things? Oh, I want to find the things. Oh, I want to find the things. In the desert place. Yeah, we have to find the things. We have to find the things. I've let out the wolf. So we have probably missed some ohm stones and some things. And a health circle or two. Oh. Oh, that annoys me so. I'm going to die. Ooh!
That traitorous cur. She made me do it, attempting to abscond and imperil my mission. Well, look at you now, both of you. You did this, not me. I may be weak from the hunger, but when my hand clasped around that rock, my anger quelled the hole in my stomach. I've never felt so strong. I wonder, that look that now adorns your face, was it of fear or of guilt?
So he murdered them. What a lovely man. What a lovely man. Is it like law that at some point everyone has to go a little bit mad and murder people in stories like this? Because if so, Poor Coo. Oh. I need a fairy circle. Fairy ring. Where are the fairy rings? The fairy ring. Fairy ring. Ah!
It was so close.